Hello traders, hope you've been well, hope you're doing good. Welcome back to Pips Masters. In today's discussion, we'll be looking at how to download MT4 and MT5 for your trading accounts. So previously, we talked about how to register and verify a Forex trading account. We went ahead and registered a practice demo account. In this clip, we will be looking at how to download and log into the MetaTrader platform, which displays prices and data for different currencies. So let's look at what you expect by the end of this clip. 1. How to download MT4 and MT5. Details on how to use the trading passwords. We're going to be looking at linking your demo account to the MT4. We're going to look at the difference between the trader's password and the investor's password. How to link your new trading account with MT4 or MT5. So guys, you're officially starting off on the practical part of trading. Make sure you invest a lot of time here. Practice as much as you can to get the small details that you might miss. So hope you guys are ready. Let's get started. On to the first point, how to download MT4 and MT5. MetaTrader is an electronic trading platform widely used by online retail traders. So the MetaTrader is what different currencies give prices on, and that is used by traders to speculate on what to expect from the market thereafter. The only difference between MT5 and MT4 is that the MT5 is an improved version of the MT4. For new traders, I would recommend using the MT4 as it's more basic and it's easier to use. So the process is very simple. On your Hot Forex homepage, select platforms and download your preferred MT4 or MT5 platform. Alternatively, after you register your demo or your live account, you're given the choice to download the preferred trading system you're going to use or the preferred MetaTrader you're supposed to be used. You can also use the online platforms. Okay, so you can see from your platform, from your Hot Forex homepage, you're going to have this. So you need to select between Hot Forex MT4 and Hot Forex MT5. Whichever broker you're using, they'll give you a link or they'll lead you to where you're supposed to be downloading your preferred MetaTrader for your trading. So on to the next point, the trading passwords. Okay, so if you open an MT4 account, then you can only use MT4 platform. When you open the MT5 account, then you can only use the MT5 platform. You need to keep that in mind, guys. But the web terminal you can always use with any type of account you want to use. Okay, so once you open the demo or a live account, you will receive an email with all the passwords required for you to access the MT4 or the MT5. Okay, so previously we registered an account, a trading account. You can see the passwords on this image. You have the trading account number. This is the login ID. Then we have the trading account password. Then we have the investor's password, the fund password, leverage, server, and the account type. In this case, we're going to be using the demo Hot Forex. So we're going to be using a demo account. Okay. Then after that, you can see the trading platforms that they offer for you. You need to select whichever platform you intend to use and just go ahead and download it. So let's go ahead and explain these passwords. What you need to understand and what you need to be keen on is the login ID, the trader's password, and the server that you're provided for. Okay, so these are the most important parts of the trader's passwords. The trading account number or the login ID. This is your account login number used in the MT4 or the MT5 or whichever trading platform you choose to use. The trading account password, this is the password you need to access the MetaTrader as a trader. Okay, if you're a trader, this is the password you're going to be using. But when it comes to the investor's password, this is for the investors. It can be used to trade. It cannot be used to trade, just to monitor the account activities. The server, this is how you differentiate between a demo and a live account. They are very important, especially when it comes to using your mobile phones. This is what you use to search for the broker that you're given, especially using your mobile phones. You also need to be very careful when it comes to the server you're given, okay? Because there's so many servers out there for different trading companies, so you need to have you need to be keen on the specific server that will be provided for you by the broker. So just a recap on this, what you're going to need as a trader is your login ID, okay? Then you're going to need the trader's password, and you're going to need the server, okay? So from the passwords I have here, I'm going to be using the login ID. That's my ID for the account, the demo account. Then I'm going to be using the trading account password. This is because I'm going to be using the account to trade and not as an investor, okay? Then I'm going to be using the server that they provide for me. You need to be keen on the server that is given to you by the broker, okay? So let's move on, guys. On to the third point, linking your demo and live account to the MT4. So guys, once you have downloaded your MT4 or the MT5 platform, you're required to input your passwords for your trading account to be fully activated. Keep in mind, you already registered the account with your broker. So select login to one existing account. This is because you have already registered the demo account, the live account. So your account is already existing. You just need to log it in, okay? To confirm your account is active, the MT4 or the MT5 notifications should pop up. Alternatively, check the button right corner of your chart and you should be able to see the speed of your network. That is a clear indication that your chart is active or your account is active. Let me just show you that, guys. You can see this. I hope you see this. So that is a clear indication that the account is active. To log into the new account, press on the speed network. That is labeled 1 in the image. Then press on login. Then passwords window will show up. Let me just show you guys this. You can see this. You have the Hot Forex MetaTrader, the login. Remember the login ID. Then we have the passwords, and then we have the server. Then you just click on login and your account should be active. You can see my mailbox reflects that the new account registration is active and the date for that account registration. One thing I need to mention is that you need to be careful when it comes to these passwords. You need to differentiate the passwords to your demo accounts, to your live accounts, from the passwords that you use to log into your Hot Forex account, okay? These are very different passwords and you can always change the passwords at any given time, okay? So when it comes to the Hot Forex platform, that is the passwords provided are the passwords to access your platform, okay? But when it comes to the demo account passwords, those are the passwords that you're going to be using for your trading and for your for any activity that you'll be using with the MetaTrader. Okay, guys. So that being it all for today. Join us in the next one as I show you how to download and use MT4 on your mobile phones. So this is Bitmasters. Hope to see you in the next one. Make sure to leave a like. Have a good one, guys.